Hey you! Yeah, you. Do you like video games? What if I told you that you could get all your favorite new video games up to 75% off? Well, guess what? You can. Just click the link in the description to head on over to g2a.com and get yourself some cheap games. Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing a keyboard and mouse. Now the keyboard and mouse that I'm reviewing are packaged as the Devastator 2 keyboard and mouse set. So let's start with the mouse. So the mouse has 6 main buttons. That would be left click, right click, scroll wheel, a DPI button, and 2 programmable buttons. It also has some LEDs on the scroll wheel and on the mouse base itself. It's overall a very comfortable mouse and it really does the job. Moving on, we have the keyboard. As you can see, it has LEDs all over it. It has some extra things like a stop, play, pause, previous, and next buttons, all for music. But the most amazing part of the whole keyboard is that it is actually mechanical. Well, mechanical. Basically a hybrid between membrane and mechanical. Listen. Also, just look at these keycaps. They're super high quality, especially for the price. Did I mention that the whole set is 30 Canadian dollars? Yeah. So the keyboard would be $15 and so would the mouse. A $15 mechanical keyboard. To test it out, let's see how well it does against gaming.
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself.
So as you can see, it's a lot better than my old keyboard and mouse. I know that it doesn't really seem like a big difference, but it really is. So my overall opinion on the set is, yeah, get it. It's worth it. I'm actually using it right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see all of you later.